Hello, Sunwell Bradley Champion here, just making a quick video just to show you all my GoPro camera. By the way, I'm on my laptop and it's my very first time trying out my webcam and it's working absolutely beautifully. I've been trying it out a couple of times, but yeah, the high definition on the laptop's really good, but GoPro comes first unfortunately because they were showing it on the travel show on Saturday, saying you should all get these because they've got absolutely amazing high definition inside. Because when I filmed like buses a couple of weeks ago and over the weekend, it came out absolutely amazing. You can even like film in the dark and that. They're absolutely amazing. You can put them on your head, put them on your dog's lead. They're absolutely amazing, guys. So I recommend you all to get these because I got this GoPro camera for Christmas and it cost me about, I think it's about 300 or 400 quid. But guys, I recommend you all just to get them because you can get them off Amazon and eBay. So I got this from Argos, so you can just get them there. It's pretty good actually. So yeah, they're better than a mobile phone. So yeah, yeah. I think that's all I've got to really say. Yeah. So please remember to subscribe to our Unwild Crew today. We have a new Unwild member now. I think his name's called SoMG Bro. I think I can't always pronounce names, but something like that. He's new to our Unwild member. He's not got his name as Unwild, but he's still part of our Unwild crew. So yeah. So he's only got 4 subscribers. So we want him to go up, but I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm doing Shout Out Sunday this Sunday, just to tell you, so that's still on. Yesterday we had a Shout Out Sunday, but Unwild Creative did a mini Shout Out Sunday, so I'll be doing the proper one on Sunday. So that's all I've got to say now, really. So yeah, please go to our Unwild channel and just hit that red subscribe button today. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.